हाय एवरीवन, आज के इस लेसन में हम सीखने वाले हैं डेली यूज़ इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस, जिन्हें आप अपनी रोज़मर्रा ज़िंदगी में इस्तेमाल करके अपनी इंग्लिश को बेहतर बना सकते हैं। तो दोस्तों, अगर आप ऐसी मज़ीद इंग्लिश वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं तो हमारे चैनल इब्राहिम टीवी इंग्लिश को कर लीजिए सब्सक्राइब और बेल नोटिफिकेशन के बटन को भी प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आप हमारी कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना कर सकें। और इस वीडियो को अंत तक ज़रूर देखिएगा ताकि आप ये सेंटेंसेस अच्छे से सीख सकें और अपनी रोज़मर्रा ज़िंदगी में इनको इस्तेमाल कर सकें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपना आज का लेसन। डेली यूज़ इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। No, I don't want. No, I don't want. It's very thoughtful of you. See you. See you. It's up to you. It's up to you. See you next time. See you next time. Allow me. Allow me. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. I can't wait. I can't wait. Stop making such noise. I don't have time. I don't have time. I'm busy. I'm busy. You are going too fast. I'm tired. I'm tired. Come with me. Come with me. I don't agree. I don't agree. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Cheer up. Good morning. Come on. Come on. Good night. Good night. Don't be so childish. Don't be so childish. Have a good trip. Don't move. Don't move. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. Don't worry. Don't worry. I admire you. I admire you. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. I apologize. I apologize. Are you done? Are you done? They like each other. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Did you get it? Did you get it? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Let's catch up. Let's catch up. How are you? How are you? You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. Follow me. Follow me. God bless you. God bless you. I feel much better. I feel much better. तो ये था दोस्तों आज का हमारा लेसन। उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी, और अगर आपने इस वीडियो को आखिर तक देख ही लिया है तो इस वीडियो को लाइक शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए। आपसे मिलेंगे अगली नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।